Hello and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. The other day we got a shipment from Mann Lake. We ordered 10 deep frames and we opened that up. I did an unboxing and instead of deep they sent shallows. So that was on a Saturday, so I had to wait till Monday, and I called them up and I was getting a little concerned because I got an answering service, not an actual person that works for the company or voicemail, but I got a separate company that job is to take messages, which is like so 1970s. But they called me back right away and they shipped me the right parts. I hope. So we're going to do an unboxing on that now. That's right, here's the package. A little bit different size. What they were going to do was just ship the end bars. These are shallow end bars, and they are for beekeepers that like to get just the honeycomb that you see, you know, the cut in the squares or they're cut into rounds. That's what these are for. They require a shallow box, which I don't have. So we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. What is today, Tuesday?
Yes.
Alright, so they got it fixed in a day. So that's good. That's good customer service. Alright. So this time they sent deeps. Here are the deeps. There's 20 of them in here for 10 frames, 2 on each side. You can see the difference. You know, this is like half the size. So the next job then for us is going to be taking and assembling these frames. And I'd like to take you along for that. All right.
I was using the bathroom more often. I would wake up at night. I had to go 2 or 3 times. I thought it would be this way for the rest of my life. Now, super being a prostate, I can plan this. Not. I don't have to keep running to the bathroom anymore. I can make it through watching movies, sports, and playing with my grandchildren. Don't ignore your prostate. You can reduce
All right. So this is the top bar of the frame. This is the bottom bar of the frame. And these are the side bars. Alright, so we'll take this wood glue. I need to get more because this is getting really old. There we go.
1960s, it got to the point where there were some serious skirmishes, actual battles.
Now, if I had a lot of these to do, I would probably get like a pneumatic nail gun. That's the bottom. Then we want to do the same thing for the top. Now, these nails are basically just to hold the piece in place while the glue dries. The glue is going to be the bonding agent.
To build a 2-mile runway, 10 miles outside of Boston. Imagine doing it in the middle of nowhere, thousands of miles away from what you see on this base is how much effort, resources, and money the Soviets poured into their defense system. In 1972, Vantal becomes operational. Surrounded by 18 aircraft and defense partners, the base is a tough nut to
Alright,
crack.
so that's one frame. 9 more to go.
And hidden in its blast-proof shelters is a strike force of several dozen MiG-21 and 23 fighter jets.
At the airbase, there was a squadron of MiG-21s who at the time was the best things in life, basically.
Then we're going to repeat this for the rest. I'm not going to make you stick through and watch me glue and pound nails. I'll bring you back on my last one. Alright, so we're working on the last one now. We had an assembly line process where Josh did the glue ups. That was a big help.
Yep.
And then put that one in an angle. That was just asking to get bent. And like I was telling Josh, these nails, they are really too big for what I'm doing here, but it's the smallest ones I have. For the bottom, they should be about half of this size, and they're probably okay for the top.
USS Cyclops.
The Cyclops set off into the Bermuda Triangle with more than 300 crew members on board. She was never seen again. Her sudden disappearance has confounded the world ever since.
Are you almost done?
Two more nails.
Starts in the port city of Miami, the largest cruise ship terminal in the world, and one of the largest container ports in the United States.
Now, this is the vessel in question, the USS Cyclops herself.
My bifocals make me think that I'm putting it in straight, but it's at an angle. All right, this is the frame that we were looking for, because it's the last one. All right, so we built 10 frames, 10 deeps. We're gonna let the glue dry. Some of these are gonna get foundation. Others are gonna get the drawn comb from the top bar hives.
The Cyclops was transporting more than 10,000 tons of ore from Barbados.
And as soon as Hive Slacker is ready to take them, they're gonna get them.
Through the Bermuda Triangle. Having departed
All right,
from Barbados on
this is something I haven't done in years. I used to have to build hundreds of these things all the time. For my dad, we actually had a jig. We would just set everything up and bam, 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 done.
It was the largest single loss of life in U.S. Navy history, not directly.
But I'm just doing 10, so I'm not going to take the time to make a jig.
Hundreds of young Navy men, like
All right.
Ernest Kramer.
Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool. You too can be super cool if you give me one.
A couple of
Do you know what else is super cool?
disappearance of U.S.
Subscriptions are super cool. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? If not, where have you been? I've been making YouTube videos now since 2016, and I would really love it if you could join this adventure with me. Doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to me. And when you subscribe, you should also be sure to click on that bell. And that bell is going to give you notifications every single time that I upload a new video. So, as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.